If I had to pick my favorite venue in St. Louis,
I would say my favorite venue in St. Louis for events would be Third Degree Glass Factory. I think it is just a really cool venue.
I'm a sucker for a view, and I loved going into the Chase. It is a tricky place to load into, but up on top there, it's gorgeous. It's a big, beautiful view.
One of my favorite venues in St. Louis, I think, is probably the Factory.
it would probably be the Factory.
I love working at the Factory. I think it's such a cool venue.
Everything just works amazingly. The lighting they installed is really good. The sound is amazing.
It's also a really unique venue too for the attendees, and it's huge.
Like, how am I supposed to come up with just one favorite venue? There are so many venues in St. Louis, like Third Degree Glass Factory, if you want a hands-on experience to blow glass. There's the CITYPARK Plaza, which is beautiful and gives you amazing, sight lines. Ameristar, if you want to be on the St. Charles County side of the river. Four Seasons, 18 Rails, St. Louis City Park, Palladium. There's the Ritz, Noble. That's a great spot too.
And what makes a great venue is not the four walls, but it's the attitude, it's the enthusiasm, and it's the people and the environment that's created at an event.